Hi everybody. So, I have some exciting news. YouTube has just approved this channel for memberships. But what are they? Well, I really enjoy creating these videos for you guys, and the support you've shown me is amazing. So I'd love to be able to give you more and upload on a more regular basis. So I've been looking for a way to try and do this, and it looks like this could be a way to benefit us all. First of all, I want to make it clear that nothing will change. I began this channel wanting my courses to be freely available, and that will stay the same. But becoming a member of this channel and joining the antCGi club will give you access to some exclusive benefits. These include course assets, so you can follow along with the videos, models, rigs, and of course a whole library of scripts to help speed up your workflow. I also want to give you the opportunity to choose what videos I create and also offer you a direct line to me so I can help problem solve your issues, be it model topology, problems with your rigs, animation, reviewing your portfolio, or just general help and advice. There is no obligation to join, and if you would rather show your appreciation with a one-off donation through my Ko-fi page, then that's absolutely fine. However, if you want to become part of the club and help support future content, then click on the join button below for more details. Thanks for watching, and thanks again for all your support.